Fried rice has to be the most easiest rice to prepare, as in is so easy, even more than jollof rice. I prefer to make fried rice than to make jollof rice, because why not? Straight to the point, especially if you use this my technique. If you follow my recipe, if you follow out my step by step how I make my fried rice, trust me, you are going to pick fried rice over jollof rice any day, anytime. I'm sure you guys will have getting familiar with my recipe, but for some people that is just coming across this recipe, just sit down, take a pen, or rather go to your kitchen and let's make some very delicious standard fried rice. Your veggies, very, very important. What is fried rice without veggies? Veggies is literally the fried rice. So you need to prep your veggies ahead. Cut it into small size, chop it, dice it. Your red bell pepper, your green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper if you have, your carrots, your spring onions, your sweet corn, your baked beans, and so on. Everything you need for your fried rice. Liver if you have. If you don't have, you can use scrambled egg, or you can also use hot dog, and you can also use chicken, diced chicken. So any of those options. But if you don't have any of those, it's fine. You really don't have to put those things there. So what I just did is that I had some oil in the pot, then I pour in my already parboiled rice. You parboil your rice first, just few minutes, maybe like 4-5 minutes. Then you pour it, you sieve it. So after sieving, you allow the old water to drain from the rice. Then you pour little oil in the pot. Then when the oil is heated, you add your rice inside and you will fry it. What is fried rice without frying the rice? That is why it's called fried rice. The rice has to be fried. You will fry the rice. Make sure you do not leave there. Make sure you are there turning it till the rice is well fried. So while frying the rice, I added my curry masala. If you don't have curry masala, you can put just curry, is fine. I do not used to add all this fried rice spice in my fried rice. No. My fried rice doesn't have to be green color. It has to be, normal color. So I just put normal curry, just little amount is fine. Then you will stir that curry, you will stir it together, you will allow everything get all incorporated. So when the rice is well fried and combined and stirred, and you see that the color has changed a bit, then you add your seasoning cube, you add your salt, you stir everything together. Please, little amount of these things. After that, you add in your stock meat if it's available. If not, just add little water, then cover and allow it to cook. Not on a very high heat, on a medium to low heat. Then make sure it is well cooked, not too much, just not too soft and also not strong. Just make it medium cooked, you understand. Then let's go ahead to make our veggies, to cook our veggies. Just because I have liver in the house, yes, I have liver in me as well, but not that liver. So I'm talking about the cow liver. So I diced my liver also with onions, and they are the first thing I am frying in this pot first. After that, I pour in all my mixed veggies, carrots, bell peppers, and all of that. I stir everything together, and I'll just be putting a little bit of salt, pinch of salt, very little bit of it, and I'm going to stir together and allow it to cook a bit. Just steam a bit, not really cook like that, steam a bit. Then after that, I'm going to add my sweet corn and my baked beans. I'm adding this sweet corn and baked beans last because they are already soft, they are canned stuff, so they're already soft, so I don't want them to be too soft. So immediately I added the baked beans and the sweet corn and stir together. I take it off the heat immediately, then I poured it into our rice. Can you see that? I poured it into our rice and stir everything together. Just keep stirring till it is well combined. You know what makes your fried rice standard is when your veggies is enough. You don't want to make fried rice whereby you will only be seeing colored rice and you barely see veggies. That's a crime. That's a crime to fried rice. No, you don't do that. You allow your veggies to be enough, even more than enough. As you can see, the one I made was even more than enough. I had to put the rest in the freezer. Then our fried rice is ready, just like that. Very simple, straightforward, fast. Fried rice is literally the fastest rice I can make, aside from white rice. Fastest rice. You can wake me up 2 a.m. in midnight to make fried rice, and sharp I'm done. So it's not something that is very hard to make. Very easy and straightforward. Then of course I added some coleslaw beside it, and that's just it. I enjoyed my meal. Everything was superb, and also my man enjoyed it. That's the most important thing, because who else am I cooking for if not him? Let me know if this video is helpful for you, and let me know if you'll be trying my fried rice recipe, and let me know if you've tried it already from my previous video. Just tell me something. Let's have a chat in the comment section below. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.